Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the black screen issue on YouTube TV in under a minute. So step 1, close the YouTube TV app and relaunch it. Step 2, if the black screen still appears, go to your device's settings and then apps and then choose YouTube TV and then clear the cache. Step 3, relaunch the app and try again. Step 4. If that doesn't still work, check your internet connection and switch to mobile data or reset your Wi-Fi if needed. Step 5. Also make sure that your YouTube TV app is updated to the latest version. Step 6. For smart TVs or streaming devices, unplug the device for 30 seconds then plug it back in. Most black screen issues are caused by temporary data glitches, poor connection, or outdated apps. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.